Continue with our theory of equations, and this is the worked example number 4. And this time we want to solve the equation x to the power 4 minus 12x cubed plus 22x squared minus 12x plus 1 equals 0. Now you probably notice that there's a certain symmetry about the coefficients, and we intend to take advantage of this. So the first thing to do is to divide through by x squared and regroup. And we should end up with this equation over here, x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 12 bracket x plus 1 over x plus 22 equals 0. So the next step then is to let y equal x plus 1 over x. And then squaring, y squared will equal x squared plus 2 plus 1 over x squared, and so x squared plus 1 over x squared equals y squared minus 2. We now substitute all this back into the equation, and that's the regrouped equation, and what we will get is y squared minus 2 minus 12y plus 22 equals 0, which comes to y squared minus 12y plus 20 equals 0. So we're down to here. And that factorizes as y minus 2, y minus 10 equals 0. And so y is 2 or y is 10. Now I'll take the first case when y is equal to 2, in which case x plus 1 over x is equal to 2. And then rearranging all of that, we'll get the equation as x squared minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. The left-hand side is an exact square. X minus 1 squared equals 0. And so x is equal to 1. That's a double root. Then we have the case when y equals 10. So this time x plus 1 upon x will equal 10. Rearranging, that will become x squared minus 10x plus 1 is 0. And we need to use the rule for quadratic equations here. So that would give us x equals 10 plus or minus square root 10 squared minus 4 times 1, which equals 10 plus or minus square root of 96 over 2. Should have had over 2 at the beginning there. I forgot about that. And then x will equal 10 plus or minus 4 root 6. That's simplifying the third term, because 96 is 16 divided by 6, and the square root of 16 is 4. And then the last step, x will equal 5 plus or minus 2 root 6. So the roots are x equals 1, which is a double root, and x equals 5 plus 2 root 6, and x equals 5 minus 2 root 6. That brings us to the end. I hope that was fairly clear. Thank you for listening.